Hello YouTube. Today we have the second Victorinox Swiss champ holster I've made. I didn't know very much when I made my last one, and now I know a teeny tiny bit. So this one came out a little better. I think I'll probably put some stitching across this spot and that spot. I think that's the only thing I'm going to change. Treated in beeswax, good retention, getting a pretty good sound out of that thing. Yeah, you can hold it upside down, shake it. Had a Scottish guy on Facebook wanting to buy one of these after I posted the last one I made that I think was pretty crappy. This will probably be going on eBay, Etsy, yada yada yada, and all the rest of it. And as always, YouTube. Thanks for watching.